Hello everyone. Welcome back to the beginner photography class. Here are 7 ways to take good pictures of spring flowers. Today is a story where novice photographers learn what they need to know to get started with beautiful flower photography. I hope this information is helpful to you. How can I take the beautiful spring flowers? For today's agenda, the desire to take pictures of spring flowers in full bloom will be the same for everyone. Today are 7 great ways to photograph spring flowers. 1. Make a theme with people. 2. Simplify the background. 3. Make use of the contrast. 4. Put flowers in close-up. 5. Prepare a favorite lens. 6. Use a depth of field. 7. Take a flower with a reflection. First, make a theme with people. If you put beautiful flowers and people together in your photos can be enriched. Looking for photos with flower-filled emotions of the moment. In a story that can be imagined, know the feeling to be a more pleasant time of the photo shoot. Second, simplify the background. No matter how brightly colored flowers are taken, the flowers are hidden, in the background are complex. Move the left and right positions, high and low angles to find the optimal space. The background should be simple. The brighter the flower, the closer it is to black, a chromatic color, or if you look for a green background, you can capture the flower without losing its splendor. Use the contrast of complementary colors. Take advantage of the complementary colors and capture them in your photos. If you put yellow flowers together with black stones or blue sky, spring flower photos will be more beautiful. What are the 3 complementary color combinations? The 3 traditional sets of complementary colors, as derived from the red-yellow-blue color model, are red and green, yellow and purple, and orange and blue. Fourth, keep flowers close by. Capture flowers in close-up photos. You will fall in love with its mysterious beauty. Closing a flower, with a lens with a low depth of field, will give you a new experience you haven't seen before. Fifth, get a sharp, close-up lens. Any lens is possible for flower photography, but my favorite lens is Nikon AF-PDX Nikkor 70-300mm f4.5-6.3 G ed lens. Nikon AF-S Nikkor 50mm f1.8 G lens. Canon f135mm f2.LUSM lens. The lens with adjustable depth of field can further distinguish the subject from the background. Depth of field. Depth of field is the distance between the closest and farthest objects in a photo that appears acceptably sharp. In a photograph with a narrow depth of field, only a small slice of the image is in focus. Conversely, with a large depth of field, much more of the scene is sharp. Shallow depth of field is a great way to separate your foreground from the background. The background might be uninteresting, or distracts attention from your subject. How to take good pictures of spring flowers. 7th. Take a flower with a reflection photo. The flower photo reflected on the water is also an angle that allows you to capture a new feeling of flowers in the photo. Observe the buds in the morning dew, or raindrops after rain. You can see the charm of the petals reflected on the water. Some people may think photography is easy. Pictures show accurate and honest results. If you want to take your photography skills to the next level, I recommend that you attend community college photography group classes, or college classes to learn systematically. If so, then you will be more competent in photography and camera. Today is a story where novice photographers learn what they need to know to get started with beautiful flower photography. I hope this information is helpful to you. I'm going to briefly explain how to practice. As easy as possible. However, if you understand this, it doesn't seem that difficult to shoot with a camera. In the next video, I will show you some more informative aspects of photography.